classifying chemical reactions with the Flintstones. If Fred were to go to a dance and he were to meet Wilma, Fred and Wilma would combine together and form the Flintstones. This is called synthesis. When substance A is added to substance B and you get a combined compound of AB, you have created synthesis, similar to when hydrogen and oxygen bond together to form the molecule water, the synthesis of water. If, however, the Flintstones were together and they got a divorce, so that Fred was on his own and Wilma were on her own, then you have decomposition. A compound breaks down into its component parts. AB yields A plus B. This happens in the decomposition of potassium chlorate, when KClO3 breaks down into KCl, potassium chloride, and oxygen gas. If, however, the Flintstones went to a dance and they met up with Betty, and when Betty showed up, she ended up with Fred, leaving Wilma by herself, we would call this single replacement. We are replacing one part of the pair. So AB plus C gives off AC plus B. We are replacing one part of the compound. This is called single replacement, and this happens when silver nitrate combines with copper to create copper nitrate and release silver. And our last type of chemical reaction is a double replacement. That's if the Flintstones went to that same dance, and there they met the Rubbles. And while they were dancing, Fred ended up with Betty, while Barney ended up with Wilma. In this case, we are exchanging two partners, this being double replacement. AB compound breaks down along with CD compound, which breaks down, and you end up with compounds AD plus CB. An example of this would be a double replacement reaction where potassium nitrate combines with magnesium chloride and ends up being magnesium nitrate plus potassium chloride. This is classification of chemical reactions, and thank you to the Flintstones.